Breaking. Tinubu camp reacts as court blocks Buhari and CBN from extending Naira deadline. Welcome to the news and please subscribe to our channel. To get notified when we post hot juicy news updates, please click on the notification bell. The All Progressives Congress Presidential Campaign Council has reacted to a court order barring President Muhammadu Buhari and the Central Bank of Nigeria's governor, CBN, from extending its currency swap deadline. It can be recalled that the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has lamented that the currency swap was a calculated attempt to block him from winning the 2023 elections. The High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, on Monday restrained Buhari, the Central Bank of Nigeria's governor, and 27 commercial banks from suspending, stopping, extending, or interfere with the currency swap terminal date of February 10th or issue any directive contrary to the said deadline. The motion was filed by 5 political parties, namely Action Alliance (AA), Action People's Party (APP), Allied People's Movement (APM), and National Rescue Movement (NRM). The court presided over by Justice Enenche also granted the order directing the CEOs of the 27 commercial banks and their alter egos to show cause why they should not be arrested and prosecuted for the economic and financial sabotage of the country by the illegal hoarding, withholding, not paying, or dispersing the new 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira banknotes, despite supply of such notes by the Central Bank of Nigeria. This sort of a court has rendered futile all behind-the-scenes effort, especially by governors of some states, to enforce the hand of the president to reverse the Naira swap policy or at least extend its deadline. In a swift reaction, the spokesperson of the campaign, Castor Festus Kenyama, wrote, and I quote, "For the record, whilst not commenting on any matter, the FCT, Federal High Court, has no jurisdiction over federal agency in respect of their performance or of their constitutional statutory functions, and it cannot issue any injunctive order to prevent the performance of a statutory duty. It is because this country, it is upside down. Other countries, you see the power the president has, the judiciary has. The president is the executive. Court come as I can't talk. You don't, as they use knock that thing, as in I decree, this is my judgment. Bam! We don't as it has go to law. It is standing as a law in other place. But because here we are very mannerless people. We have our manners, they are not in check. And then, we are not, no. I'm telling you, that is why here, court will order even the DSS to do something. The DSS, a third arm of the government. It just be like in a body, your third arm. You understand? It's not being respected. I don't get. That is the problem. Are we seeing the court's problem here? They don't respect the court orders, and anyway, I keep saying that it is actually a fault of this present administration. Okay, why must it be Tinubu APC reacting to this financial policy? Are they the only group affected, or do they have any hidden secret yet to be made public? I fear, but God is greater than everyone. Well, whether they have or whether they do not have, the thing is, waiting court talk, make it stand. That is my own. Like I said, I wish in this country the court has the power it has. In other countries, if they come as I can't talk, see waiting judiciary talk, you don't finish. There is nothing you can do about it again. There's nothing. There is nothing you can do about it again. They have shown that they really have skeletons in their cupboard. Well, skeletons or not, my own be say, waiting talk, na him supposed to stand. What? Okay, the thing is, about this Naira, I've asked this question so many times. Over the past few days on social media, we have been seeing videos of banks who they have refused to disburse the new notes, even if it is with them. People money. and the costs or the consequences of the banks refusing to, refusing to give out the new notes. Look at what it's causing. People died. I think at Delta State at Agbo in particular, somebody sloped and died on an ATM queue. Just imagine, you know the kind of stress with the person. You know whether the person did you before. You can't take money when you go use go buy drugs. You just did a slump and so you go. That one nah, you don't go. With the law. Do you understand? Now, another one is costing us. You now buy cash. The Naira is now in black market. You now use 1,000 to buy 5,000. You want to withdraw 5,000, they're giving you 4,000. And you are like, what the heck? You want to withdraw 50,000, they're giving you 45,000. Do you understand? What am I even saying? If you're running 50,000, it's almost 10,000 Naira. So all these things, and you're asking yourself, how did we get here? Another set of people who, will talk is, yes, the government, then they do something, but what about us? People that sell this cash. And if you complain about people that sell this cash, they'll buy. But do you now buy it? Is it now, when I actually complained about the high price of this thing, somebody told me that one of the POS agents said, an opportunity now. I said, opportunity. You see us for this country. Our government would only shout, the government do this one, but meanwhile, our own worse. If they leave us there for just, make I say, 12 hours, they give you the powers of the president for 12 hours. This Nigeria will turn upside down. Let me tell you. Why is Tinubu camp concerned than others? It is just a matter of depositing the money you have at home in the bank. Why complain here and there? I just don't understand why Tinubu camp was crying bitterly over the new Naira notes. Now, let me say, it's not just depositing, it's you collecting the money. It's you collecting the money. Apart from the fact, there are a lot of people who have not gotten used to it. No matter what you say about this new currency, it has an advantage. But the thing is, they didn't give the people enough time to prep for this. This transition to, to cashless policy should be done what I call step by step. You get to a place, you're losing, you get to a place, then small, you begin to see what their laws they are like, and small, you begin to do your own investigation. That's what it's supposed to be. Unknown parties being used to inflict pains on the masses, nonsense. What do you mean by unknown parties? What do you mean by unknown parties? Then say make them know, then say make look. And the problem here is not CBN. CBN has come aside to say they give money out. And like I said, if you go on social media, you see a lot of videos of banks that are not disbursing cash. What do you want to use the money do? You want to sell it. People are outside. Is that not what they call wickedness of the highest order? People there for your front. Some people are there, they don't have more Naira to eat. Because of course, the person you are going to be buying the gari or the gala from or the food from does not accept transfer. And even if the person does, your transfer is not working. Many people that they have been transferred to, they have not seen their money. It don't cost that one, it don't even cost another problem on its own. So the transition to cash would have been done well thought out. Well, let us see how this will go. As this matter don't enter courts now, make we see as everything will use shelle. But here on this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.